Stepping inside the 2024 Fiesta, you're greeted by a surprisingly upscale interior. Gone are the days of cheap plastics and flimsy switchgear. Ford has clearly made an effort to elevate the cabin experience. Soft-touch materials abound, and the gloss-black accents add a touch of sophistication. But the real star of the show is the 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It's bright, responsive, and packed with features. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration come standard, making it a breeze to connect your smartphone. The system is intuitive to use, with clear menus and sharp graphics. Despite its compact dimensions, the Fiesta doesn't skimp on comfort. The front seats are supportive and offer ample adjustment. Rear legroom can be a bit tight for taller passengers, but that's to be expected in a car of this size. Overall, the Fiesta's interior is a pleasant place to be, offering a good blend of comfort, technology, and practicality. One of the Fiesta's biggest selling points has always been its value for money, and the 2024 model is no different. Even in its base trim levels, the Fiesta comes generously equipped with features that are often optional extras on rivals. You get that excellent 8-inch touchscreen, a suite of safety features, and a comfortable, well-designed interior. But the value proposition goes beyond just standard equipment. The Fiesta is also incredibly affordable to run. Its fuel-efficient engines sip petrol, and maintenance costs are very reasonable. This makes it an ideal choice for budget-conscious drivers who don't want to sacrifice on quality or driving experience. In a world where car prices seem to be constantly rising, the Fiesta remains a beacon of affordability. It proves that you don't have to break the bank to own a stylish, well-equipped, and fun-to-drive car. And that's something worth celebrating.